Where I left off yesterday, actually got cut off. My internet just dropped out for only 10 minutes, but it was enough to kill the stream and my mood. So I was debugging this background ships thing. Something's up with it. Too many ships are getting added. Not some of them are not getting moved. So let's see. Destroy what's there, set to null. For every ship, depending on how many there are. So I'm just gonna spawn like one every second, or I don't know, I'm just gonna set this to like 1 second. I don't know what that does in the random range. Also, am I resetting the timer? Timer, time, okay. This is gonna wait for the ship count to get low enough. Ship count is less than ships dot lengths. Yeah, okay, fine. That's kind of loud. Okay, so they're already breaking. What I mean is that, you know, they're getting spawned over here and nothing's happening. Not sure why this guy's not showing up here. That's weird. So they're just continuing to spawn without dying. Right, that's that guy. Actual number of ships. If real max ships is greater than min ships. Otherwise only spawn one ship. Let's see what happens here. Should immediately spawn one, no? it's 0. So the length minus count would have been 100, max is 3, so that's 3. This is 3, this is 1, so yes. Random.range. Should give me something. Between 1 and 3 gives me 3. So I iterate 3 times. Spawn left is some random number false. So the Y position is some random range. So 1.3. X position, Y position. So it's going to go on the right at 12. Sprite index is some random sprite. 4. So grab the sprite at that index. Changing the name to something. Add a renderer, set the sprite, set the sorting layer, set the sorting order, and set the initial position. And this just updates the scale. If it's on the left, add ship. Look for the first empty space immediately. So the ship at that index, probably 0, becomes this ship object. And break. And increment the ship count. Now there's 1. Done. Let's do it again. So this one is on the left. So we're going to go here. Nope, that spot's taken. Position 1, that spot is not taken. Break, ship count, +2. So my ships array first 2 are set. So this is going to happen one more time. Whoops, okay. So now there's 3 ships. Ship count of 3. Ship time is set to 1 second now. And if I press play, then in 1 second I'll be back. There it is. Ship timer is just above it now. Presumably these other ships have moved some amount this frame. Can't really touch Unity because of the breakpoint. Alright, ship count should still be 3. Ships. 1 ship. Sprite index. Okay. On the left side, add count 3. Alright, first one's taken, second one's taken, third one's taken, fourth one not taken. Insert ship count increment. Ship time is 1 second again. Ship index. I'm not using ship count anywhere here. Min x greater than. Oh, okay. Not. Yeah. Okay. I don't very often hear this far into the song. It's doing some trippy stuff. Not necessarily trippy. Ships.length, ship index. What is going wrong here? So I have 4 ships in the list. Let's just still only have 4. Remove has never been called yet. So 3 more ships should get added. 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6 got added. Really should have zoomed out here. This guy's about halfway through. Was that background music not loop? I guess that was 2 more ships. So my ship count is 9, and that's correct. Now it's 11. Still correct. 12. Okay, here we go. So it went up to 13 somehow. When did that happen? When did that happen? Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, which one am I destroying? Index 0, the first one. Makes sense. Destroy the ship. Okay. Set the ship index to be null. And reduce the ship count to 12. So, 1 through 12. 12. So that's correct. Oh, now I'm back on destroy again. Who am I destroying now? This is in the same frame. Index 2. Guess they made it to the other side. What position are you at? Game object, base. Oh wait, transform, there it is. Oh wait, everything has a transform reference. Position. -0.5. -0.5. So why is that ship not moving? Let's say ship index 1. Let's see if there's anything else to destroy. So this is ship's index 2. So this ship should disappear here. It should also cease to exist. I guess this just flags it for removal. And it maybe will be actually removed when the frame ends or something. So now it's null. And we have 11 ships left. 1 and 3 through 12. Okay. Done with that. Ship index. Which one am I at now? 3? 4. Even though I just removed index 2? Oh, why is this doubling? Why is this here? Because this used to be a this used to be a for loop. All right, so that's probably a huge bug. However, oh, that's why half of them aren't moving. It's skipping over them because it's incrementing twice. That should probably take care of it. That. How did I not see that? Why is she saying I got enemies? Oh, right, because I copied that. Now we got some background ships going. So I'm thinking I'm gonna like fade those out. Them seem faster. The ones moving left to right seem faster. No? It's actually a pretty good rate of spawning. I'm gonna mess with it just a bit. So like, I'll make it so the average is about 1 second. So I'll do 0.5 to 1.5 or 0.7 to 1.7. That doesn't make the average 1 second. Max ships. Maybe 0? Nah, let's not do 0. Always at least 1. And yeah, 3. 3 seems fine. So yeah, another thing I want to do, I think the max Y is pretty high. So I'll drop that down to 6. And then I will fade them out just a bit because they're so color just do 1 and half alpha at half. And that should look better. you go. Oh, it's an optical illusion. They look like they're moving faster because they're moving against the speed of the buildings, right? So they're covering more building. And the ones moving right to left are going with the buildings. So they look a little more constant. Why is this guy not displaying? I can see him clearly, but I can't clearly. What are you doing, Unity? I know it's not this. Guess it's nothing to worry about. Just can't see it in the game. No big deal. Can see the flame though for some reason. Let me try to get in the ship. Oh, what the hell? It's even a different... Oh, that's because of that. Oh, right. It doesn't have... It doesn't have... Okay, here. Up, down. So... Can I could delete this, right? Yo! Mr. Sands. Alright, now we're flipped. Oh man, look at those backward bullets. Just great. Oh no, those are like little ships and cars in the background in the city. Not birds. Flying cars, I guess. And little other ships. Not really sure what those were supposed to be. Or what I had in mind when I was making these things. Just trying to make the scene a little bit more... Where the hell is the sprite? This ever happen? Something wrong with the scaling? Set to 1? No. Is the Z position, like, not right? 2. It's even now invisible here. Oh, it doesn't have a sprite. Well, I guess that's because I need the sprite normal, at least. But still, where's the sprite? And I wonder if it's just a Unity bug. If I reset Unity, will it just work? Shut up. So now it's displaying. Sometimes. What? Oh, when it does the up and down. Right. Pretty powerful. I can make it so that up and down thing doesn't actually do anything. Up sprite, set up sprite. I mean, I could set them all to the exact same sprite, and then it won't do anything, actually. Yeah, I could just do that too. That's probably better. All the same. There. Well. So for some reason, you can only see it when there's a player in there, in the game view. Makes sense. Oh, what else I noticed? It did reset the scale. The scale is wrong. This is supposed to, because it has a scale. 1.5, 1.5. So, oh. And I guess it is because of that positioning. BS is behind the camera, but not behind the scene camera. Okay, so when I jump in a ship, what's this thing like? Become friendly? Yeah. So this is not that. This is transform local scale.x. Transform local scale. That way it preserves its increased size. Yup. Also, I have to make sure that the bullets get rotated, even though they look okay. There we go. Now it's negative 1.5. That's a weird jump point. Whoops. Power up reset. Man, those homing bullets are so small you can't see them. There's a lot of little things like that I could be doing to make it better. Alright, so everything's going to reset. Level 3 couldn't be loaded because it's not added to the build settings. None of those levels are added. It's Friday, man. How you doing, David? Is that a meaningful thing for you, Fridays? I know for a lot of people it is. Yeah, well, when you supposedly commit 16 hours a day, that's like every waking hour that exists. Oh, damn. Oh, I got this runny nose. It's been bugging me. So you're just gonna hear me do that. VSTs. Oh wait, I know what that is. That's it's that video editing software. Oh, virtual synth, music editing. Sorry. Music editing, music making. Virtual synths. Ugh. Okay, now that I fixed the bug. Oh wait, I should probably do, okay, so I do this as well. Shooter, auto shoot for each gun, invert direction. So I have a lot of weird stuff going on with this thing. In gun, if invert direction, transform Euler angles. So the direction it's moving is correct. I guess I could also Isn't the bullet supposed to be rotated? Euler angles equals transform Euler angles. So it got turned around. Direction dot x times equals -1. Flip x. I don't even know if I do that anymore. Transform rotation. Direction. So I update the direction. Bullet.direction equals my direction. So that should be updated. How about I just base this off of the direction? Because the Euler angles don't conform to the direction. I feel like I'm going to mess up a bunch of bullets really badly. If I go to bullet. Set target. What is this direction? Oh, okay, that's just changing its direction. Move. Move type is normal. Shouldn't I still be updating its... I feel like this should be like a thing that is just always, just always. I don't know if I can do that in this order, right? Where did I save Euler here? Do that, and maybe that'll fix it. Maybe. Man, Unity. I remember when Unity was fast, even when I ran it on a slower computer. Whoa. And that did it. I hope I didn't screw up any other bullets. Those look good. Okay. Let's check level 3. I know it's got a bunch of platform nonsense. Gross. Whoa. Shit. What happened there? I just left those birds sitting. Why did that platform get destroyed? Because I saved that guy? Why the hell did that platform get destroyed? Rescue guy. Why does... What's overridden? No overrides? Oh, this is added on a carrier. Oh, never mind. Okay. So... Nice. So instantiate this dumb light. Set its parent to whatever my parent is. And destroy myself. Not too complicated. And do the special text. Why did the platform disappear? Did it collide with, like, the ship or something? Is that a thing that can happen? Let's see here. Apparently not. Down here. Oops. Yeah, what the hell? It destroys the platform. Hold on a second. Something weird's going on. Where's my level manager? You are on level 3. In case I die again. What? Oh shit. Why are these keyboard events getting... Oh, never mind. Touching the wrong part of the keyboard. Like, what the hell? soon as I... And that thing that is supposed to happen doesn't happen. Alright, let's... So what is this thing even? What is this thing? It's got ship movement, it's got carrier because of birds. What does this do? Just generates birds and does nothing. Movement, get component, ship. Yeah, doesn't do anything. So why does the rescue? It destroys itself. Go.transform set parent my parent. Okay, what the hell is rescue light? Forgot what I made that thing. It's like an explosion because it destroys itself. Yeah, it's an explosion. Which does nothing other than destroy itself. For some reason it has a direction. What's up, man?
Hey, dude. Oh.
Already 42 minutes into the stream.
Yeah, I figured you're gonna have a 2-hour one, right? Plus
Yeah.
it's Friday. So.
It is Friday. Anything can happen. Like all these bugs that I'm dealing with right
Bugs. You ever used DigitalOcean?
now. I've heard of it. I have not used it, no.
It's like a server setup. I'm still trying to go through. I'm just working on some chat stuff. I'll take some time to work on the box art a little more.
I gotta stream at least until you're ready to stream. When are you ready to stream?
Who said that one, Sam?
Yeah.
You're the segue into his stream.
Isn't there a way that you can make your own channel stream other people's streams?
Yeah, I forget what you call them, but yeah, you basically like when your channel's on streaming anything, it defaults to another channel.
Hosting.
Sponsor? No.
Apparently it's called hosting.
Oh, it's called hosting? Okay.
Makes sense. Instantiate my position and destroy myself. I'm gonna have to debug. Let's do it. Oh, I have to actually do the thing.
Time.
Figure out what the hell. What is this? The bird. Oh. What is that? Oh, that was just that green line? Why does it look like that? What is happening to it? That's weird.
Pretzel rocks.
Box collider. Huh. Let me just jump right there. Okay. And right there. Now. Everything is still there from what I can tell. Created a new game object. Is it in the thing? I don't know because Unity's stuck. Okay. This is a rescue-like clone.
Now I start streaming.
transform parent, no parent, right? Okay. Set parent to my own parent. What's my parent? Carrier 1.
Hold up the option.
Transform parent, carrier 1. Done.
If we were in a simulation, that would be the code for adoption.
Do the destroy myself.
Those self-destructive days, don't we?
So, does this thing still exist? Yeah. And the carrier is still there. So, I guess I'll check here as well. And I'll check to see if the carrier doesn't even update. Destroy only schedules the object to be destroyed. Right. Right.
I finally saw Ching.
I'm trying to figure out why this other thing, this platform is getting destroyed by some method. Whenever I touch this person, he only destroys himself. There's no update here anyway. Let's see here. Don't really know what happens next. Oh, okay. Do rescue. So this is going to be destroyed, supposedly. And this is a destructible.
Alright, I found the logo.
Something happened here. Who am I?
Super Sky.
Because I'm destructible. Oh, okay, hold on. This was a thing. Alright, nothing really happened. It is enabled. Rescue is a child object of the carrier object. But destroying a child object won't destroy the parent. Will it?
Okay, there we go. Logo thing. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the pixel logo or re-hand draw it. But I'm using the pixel one for now.
What is getting hit? Is something getting hit by a bullet? No, probably not. It's me, the player, right? Because who am I? This player, alright? And I'm getting hit by this guy. So maybe this is what's doing something. So, but he does not have a destructible. So nothing happens. Nothing happens. Alright. Special text got created. Whatever. A gun updates. A ship movement updates. Who's the ship? The mech. That I don't care about. Oops. Auto kill bounds. Doesn't do anything. No, explosion doesn't do anything. I already checked that. This is just updating the ship. Updating more guns. Some other ship. Some other auto kill bounds on a ship. Some other cockpit on a ship. Some more guns of the ship. Some other ship. So they're all moving. This is just gonna happen forever until I get to the next frame. So this isn't gonna get called again. I'm just scared to hit play because I want I want to know when this damn thing is gonna get destroyed. Is there a property that you can see that's exposed? Couple of places, but not on these guys. The only thing that's ever destroying these guys is when they go out of bounds. So maybe it thinks it's out of bounds. But if something is flagged for destruction, is that visible? Right, so let's see here. Other objects. Background. Where are the carriers? I guess it wouldn't say carrier, would it? Would it? New game object. So this is the one I just created. No? Tagged. Special text. Oh, that's the special text. Okay. Children. Carrier. I want to say it was this one. No. What will pretend to be null when it's marked for destruction. Flame, flame, flame. Is it carrier 1? Flame, flame. Triple flame, carrier 2. So it looks like it already got removed. You'll have to test to see if that happens immediately. It looks like one thing that happened when I destroyed this character here that's attached to this is that it got removed as a child because it's not here anymore. So I actually can't find it in the hierarchy. I think. Active, active. The game object itself. That's just the same thing. Is
Alright, there you go.
transform non-public. Let's look at its base. Hide flags, name, stack members. I guess whatever it is, non-public members. No. Has changed. Oh, let's go to the transform. This is the same thing. Wait, where was I? Oh, here in the character. Oh, okay. I think that's exactly where I just was. Yeah, okay. Same thing. Yeah, I can't tell. Maybe it's something in the scene. What would it do? Build index. There's nothing really here. Nothing. Well, there it is, disappeared. Oh, and the music stopped. Let's get the music back, unless it was annoying. Camera. I figured this was set to loop. What? Is it on level manager? Audio source, there it is. I'll just go here, do it. Loop. So right. Here it is. Let's see. Let's look at all of its components, right? Carrier, which does nothing. Auto. This is the only thing I can. Oh wait, hold on. On trigger exit. That can't be getting called. Let's check. That would be weird. Yeah, that would be weird. Ship movement could be destroying itself somewhere. There's no actual destroy. And I haven't done destroy immediate. Auto ship movement, and that's pretty much it. Alright, let's go. Let's just run it and see if that one gets called. But I don't think so. Okay, this is the dress queue thing. So yeah, hold on. Let me see something here. So I know my parent exists. This. I'm gonna instantiate that. Transform. Parent is set to carrier. Has 3 children. Okay. Game object got created at this exact position that I'm at.
Yes.
Without a parent. Position. Same 5.4. Okay. Just doing like all the sanity checks. Setting parent to my own parent. Alright, so now the scene path updated. Hierarchy stuff updated. parent is updated. The parent itself has an extra child. Then I do this. Nothing changes. And then I destroy myself. Okay, now a bunch of stuff happened. Oh, wait. There it is. What? This actually happened. Where's my position? Parent is other objects. What's my position of 11.7? Why? Oh, that's the parent. Hold on. No, my position, 5.4. It's perfectly normal position. Current time increased by a lot while the debugger was paused. It's possible, but I think they have a cap on delta time too, so it never goes above like 0.3. I don't know if there's a way I can check that. .02. But not the time since load. How did I on trigger exit? I'm not. How did on trigger exit happen? That's a good question. Alright, well now I know that it is that. Whoops, I don't want that. Just run the game, damn it. Alright. I delete all these breakpoints now. Okay. Let's see here. Oh. Could be. It's possible that. Where is the auto kill bounds? It's right here. It's actually not attached to the camera. I thought that maybe that was a thing because the camera zoomed in. Let's see. The camera did zoom in. It's not. This isn't moving. This is kind of frustrating. Alright, so where are we here? Other. Is there like a weird thing where. No, that doesn't make sense. Isn't the camera zoom handled by changing the image graphic? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Oh, there actually is another one here. Okay. But previous movement, final position. Previous movement, final position. Whatever. It's this script that's killing me here. Position -9.
What time of day? What sky color are we going for? Are we going for that like sunrise, sunset, midday?
For
night?
what? Oh, for that one?
Yeah, yeah. Is it like early? Is it like bright sunny blue?
When you're in the city,
like,
it's sun. It is
It's just
sunset.
in this scene, what kind of sky would you like? Like oranges and
Yeah,
pinks,
I
a
would
little bit
say
of blue.
that maybe is it Earth? Yeah, it's Earth. Well, I mean, I don't know. For all intents and
That's
purposes, it's
true.
Earth. Whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
Um,
Just might not be this dimension.
yeah, there you go. Yeah, I would say sunset-ish, like just before sunset, maybe. Only because when you're in the city in the game, it is sunset.
Okay, no, it's actually
That's my reason.
imagery would be cool because then I can make the robot. You can't see him. He's mostly just a silhouette, and
Oh,
then the
okay,
sun
good.
is right
Yeah,
behind him.
takes care of all those details. Um, so somehow, I mean, this is its local position, right? Because it's parented. It's definitely not outside of this collider. Once something exits this collider is what's supposed to do the on-trigger exit. Somehow, by attaching a child or something to this game object, or by removing this game object, somehow that... Oh! That's what's happening. So, because this is a child of this game object, and it has a box collider, it's being removed from the scene, so its on-trigger exit is being bubbled up, I guess, to the parent game object. That's what's happening. So then that on-trigger exit is getting sent here, and it thinks it's not in the scene anymore. Alright, so the way to get around that I have found so that the triggers don't bubble up to parent objects is to give, because the parent object is what has the, what is it, rigid body, because that's what's doing the physics simulation. So if you give it its own rigid body, then then this object will be the target of the collision trigger event, the collision events. And that's pretty much that. Instead of
Are there other team members in the city?
I don't know. You could unparent it before destroy? Also, that would work. Tricky. Yeah, that makes total sense. Yeah, let me do that too, so I just don't have to do this extra physics simulation. Removed. Oh, let me just go in here and remove it. Damn it. Popped out window. They were kidnapped, or maybe you find them every now and then. Like, you find their ships busted up. That was kind of like the ideas we had moving to the update. But dude, Steve, thanks for the tip. That makes total sense. I like that better.
Steve helping you out? Oh shit.
Hell yeah. Alright. Or that's what that said. Alright. No. And then destroy myself. Alright, Steve. Let's see if you did it. But adding the rigid body would do the same, would solve the problem as well. Not do the same thing. It would also solve the problem. But I like this one better, because I don't want more rigid bodies doing more work. Oh boy, this startup time. It's getting heavy. truth.
Damn calls.
Oh! Got it. Oh shit. Oh, I left that ship in like an upstate.
Oranges in the dish.
Huh. That's funny that the sprite just stays like that. Not really a big deal. Sweet. Ah, man, that took way longer than it should have. Alright, where are we at? Just over an hour. What's on the list? Bomber, missile, background ships, background robot. Oh, background ships done. Background robot? Is it time? Background robot? It's not exciting. It just looks cool. I'll at least do the animation. Oh, this is at order in layer 0. Can I do negative numbers? What is this one? This is also order in layer 0. Oh no, it's not. It's pretty funny if there was air resistance, so when you jump out of the ship, you instantly rocket off the left. Yeah, that's actually pretty funny. He was saying if there was like wind resistance, so as soon as you eject, you just like fly back.
Yeah, that would be a cool element, especially if you kind of like kept on with that kind of thing, like air brakes, boosts, and stuff like that. For
Yeah, so I can go negative, right?
That would be cool.
Yeah, if you could make that part of the gameplay, like you're
Mhm.
flying through the air. But I guess eventually you just die.
Because if you had like some air brakes, that would be cool too. It's kind of a similar thing. Like you could use it to dodge out of the way or whatever it is.
Air brakes.
But as an added effect too, just as you get out of the ship, it would be cool.
I mean, I could make it like a. If if you're in the jetpack, you're just like flying around, and whichever direction you're going is the direction the guy's pointing.
Mm-hmm.
It gets kind of dumb.
Well,
Almost like you're controlling like a little Nikita missile. Nikita. It always made me think of that back in the day when I would play Metal Gear Solid.
Yeah, it was the coolest fucking weapon though.
Alright, so you're gonna be on back.
I just wanted to keep playing that mission. You could only use it for like that mission though. Or I think the Metal Gear mission later.
Where do you go?
You know what it reminded me of?
Oh yeah, when you're actually fighting Metal Gear. How big is this thing supposed to be? What are you saying?
Do you remember Unreal Tournament we used to play?
Oh yeah, there was a weapon like that.
Yeah, like the Nikita. Oh yeah, where you get to see the camera and shit.
Oh, that's about the right size, I guess. Huh? I don't. I kind of do remember that a little bit. Man, what a time waster in class. We would just like network play all the time.
Yeah, and in the mornings I would play Worms on
Oh, I remember doing that too. Yeah. Robot. Background robot.
What was his name?
Henry?
No, the bearded older guy, the paladin who'd come in the horse for the football games.
Bearded older guy? Oh. The guy who did the Renaissance Festival guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like I should remember him. I was around those people.
Yeah, weren't you in that club?
I mean, I went there, but not to all their events. Like they did a lot of like LARPing and like
Oh, that.
going to Renaissance festivals and stuff like that. I went to one of their things once because
I remember
I
when you
mean
were
it
building
wasn't
the
it was
chainmail.
cool. Yeah, exactly. I built chainmail, but that was my own personal side project. I just thought it was cool, and I asked them like how I would go about doing it. That teacher, whose name I can't remember, told me about wire winding, and that just became a project for my own. I don't know, for some reason I got into it, and I made like a whole section, and then I just gave up. I never made more. It's so fucking hard. It takes so much time and a lot of grip strength to get through that thing. Anyways, I went to one of their LARPing things once, and they used like real swords, just tape and stuff, because they were pretty serious with the whole Renaissance stuff. So they were actually real chainmail, real armor, real swords. And, they would do like standard combat because they actually performed at the Renaissance Festival, I believe. So I actually never been to a Renaissance Festival or anything on there, but I started being around them when I would go in the morning to play Worms because I had a friend who told me about Worms, and I just met up with them and we would do that. And then I was around that, so I saw their other club things. There was one with Andrew Main Harder, I remember, was a guy who was there, and he was like a magician. I forget what he would speak about, but we would have cool chats and just have fun. I remember when I first met him, he gave me one of these. It was a VHS, and it was like a wizarding school magic tricks. I remember seeing him like not that long ago on TV, trying to start his show. I don't know how well it went. It's like the something the world with Andrew Main.
You know what? I don't even know if I need this whole state thing. I mean, maybe I do. I don't know about moving left, moving right, though. This makes more sense. Yeah, 2D Worms is pretty damn awesome.
We played Worms Armageddon. Still available in the store and stuff too.
Let's see. So pick a state, random state, 0, 1, 2, so this is going to be... can I do this? No. State time, what? State equals random dot range int state dot none state dot count. That doesn't work, and then can I do that?
I wish I still knew how to play the underwater theme, Mario.
Let's see. So this timer resets. Does he mean on piano or? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we used to for some reason want to learn a couple of those songs on the keyboard. It was pretty cool. That, and I was like, I really wanted to learn how to play some of that Final Fantasy music, dude.
Oh yeah, I bet.
It was it was a lot harder than I thought it would be.
It's so much faster, a lot more notes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mario was like, it's like literally one of the.
And I never got to the point where I could do two hands. It was just too
really?
weird getting both hands to do different things on a keyboard.
I had a little bit of experience because my dad had gotten me one of those keyboards with the light up. It had a display that told you what keys to press, and like the key would kind of glow a little red.
Okay, yeah.
So I remember I learned that way. That was just memory, though. I didn't really know what I was doing, you know.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. I'll need to know when to switch state. When one of my actions is done. I guess when I set my state back to none.
Mama.
In which case, yeah. If I'm at none. People ask me that when I do, you know, timers and stuff like that, and I'm not a fan of coroutines. I used to use them when I very first started using Unity, like years ago. I thought they were cool. Now I just don't like them. I like having the code together and knowing like what order things are happening in. Okay. That. It could still be none again. I guess that's, I don't really care. Okay. So if I'm moving, then I need like a move target, right? So. not a coroutiner. No, I'm not surprised. I've seen some people do like the entire game code inside of coroutines. It's just like coroutines nesting more coroutines. It's kind of nuts. And I get why people use them. Totally. There's plenty of places I can identify that where I could have used them. Like the color of the text, like fading back and forth between red and white or whatever. It's just one stupid example. Let's see. 2, 1. Alright, let's... Did you mean to exclude state.count? Yes. State.count is a dummy state to just give me the number of states, because the value of this is going to be 3. Right. So it's going to give me 0, 1, or 2, which is going to be one of these 3 guys. Let's see, moving. If I'm moving, distance to target, the value of transform position by x, and move target by x. Distance to target is greater than x move equals move speed. Distance to target is greater than max move. Less than? It's greater than max. Yeah, okay. Max move plus whatever. So on. Then move. Let's do something here. What? Transform. What am I writing? Vector 2. Typo on 60. Yep. Thank you. It's not apps. Oh, wait. Yeah, I should probably, this is not what that is. It's this. The difference. Right, move. Like, get back to where I was there. And this is going to actually be do that, and that should just be a simple move, I guess. Otherwise, I do nothing. Let's see here. If I'm within the range, then just set myself to be there, and then set my state to be known, and then I'll get out of this state. Okay. And then it'll go back to trying to find a new state. good enough. Is that enough to actually make him move for now? And I'm not going to do the laser yet because that's an animation that I haven't added yet. I just want to see if it jumps from state to state and moves. Go ahead and breakpoint. State here. See if that actually works. I feel like it might. And let's see if I jump in here. What is this? Oh, it's not running. I should probably attach the script to this guy. There we go. Right, should take about a second or so. No? Nothing's happening. Oh, this is still? Unable to find corresponding. What the hell? What's going on here? Really weird. Guess I can make it state public. I can also. No, something's up with this debugger. Oh, now it's, well, no. Attach, damn you. What is this? Able to find corresponding location. What is going on? Oh, wait, what? So I'm guessing nothing will work, right? Oh, no. So what the hell? What's wrong with this script? Is it broken? Yeah, that happens, right? Maybe just reload the script. Maybe that'll. What the hell now? Oh wait, hold on. There we go. Accidentally deleted it. You. All right. Oh, maybe that was deleted before and I just didn't. I don't know. Nope, still not going. All right, we're gonna do the old restart. It hasn't been restarted in a while. I'll just do Visual Studio as well. I want to find out what's new in Visual Studio. I want the breakpoints to work in Visual Studio.
Well, you're real needy, huh?
Oh man. Also recently updated. You have installed this project yet? Huh. I haven't updated Unity in a while either. I'm not about to do that. Every other script works. What's wrong with this script? Is it name different than the script name or something? No. I'm confused. Why Unity? Yeah, I think that's what I did actually. Okay, hold on. So there it is. There it is. There it is, along with all the other scripts. Assembly C#. This is all the same. This is all the same. What if I do this like view? Is it view? Solution Explorer? Oh wait, hold on. Actually, was it in there? Okay, yeah. Regenerate project files button. Let's try the old regenerate project files. External tools. Is that in project settings? What was that? I always forget where this is. Or is it in preferences? Preferences. There we go. There we go. Oh. Let's click that. That's it? That's it? Knowing Unity, I figured this was gonna be some like long process. Alright. I guess let's open it again. Yeah, the button gets disabled and re-enables. That's how you know it worked. Nope. This script is just broken. I don't know. I'm just gonna copy everything out of it and recreate it. This is a very special stream today. Should I name it something different? Background robot. I was gonna write script. Roboto. In which case I have to name the class the same. Okay, Unity, do it. Maybe it never did this. Alright, so here it is. I don't know. Sometimes Unity just doesn't compile the script. This doesn't work. Son of a... Unable to find a corresponding location? Can I break here? Anywhere? Inside the start method? I don't know. Like, it's the only script I have that I can't put a breakpoint, apparently. Oh wait, no, this one also has it. This problem. What? Unity, what are you doing? Maybe because it's not attached to anything? Yeah. What? Is it because it wasn't attached to anything? But it was. I did later attach it to something. I don't know. It's a mix of things. We fixed it. Alright. So that as well. Yeah, also the script wasn't running. Well, I actually don't know, so let's see. It didn't seem to be running. I guess I'm never going to hit a breakpoint. Oh, attach. Of course. Did he actually move? No. Alright, let's restart this thing. There we go. Okay. About damn time. What's my new state? None. Alright. Let's just play again until we hit it again. There we go. Moving. Okay. Pick a target. 10.8. What's our position? 8.1. So it added 2 to that. So he should start moving to the right. Alright, now he's moving. Distance to target should be like 2. Yeah. Max move is something small. 0.02. Distance. If it's greater than, then move. This should be false, so it doesn't go negative, so I increase on the x-axis by that much. And then once I'm there, then it goes back to switching state. There it goes, it moved. Let's watch it again. Did it move back? Yeah, it did. It looked weird because now it does nothing. Still does nothing. How long was the state timer on that one? Indefinite, I guess. I'm gonna manually break here. Oh, my state's probably laser, and that doesn't do anything. There we go. That's probably that problem. Okay, so now he'll just move around, probably. Or I can comment out the laser state, but now I'll just turn off breakpoints and he should just move. There he goes, moving to the left. Moving to the left. Oh, I guess he could actually, there's a chance he could just move off the screen. I definitely don't want that. So move distance equals 2. Move distance. Move distance. Move position. Dot x is less. What the hell? Transform deposition dot x is less than 2. Or equal. Less than, or equal to 2. Okay. What is happening here? Then for sure, move target x equals new target def x plus distance. Else x is greater than, I don't know, like 9. I want to say it's like 9. Yeah, let's only keep it within a range, like a tighter range. Let's say 4. And then do the other thing. Minus, otherwise random. Okay. That's pretty cool. And while I'm moving, I'm also going to be jumping. I gotta do hops. Alright, so how big are my hops? Was I formerly a C++ developer? No, but I do that as well. Not really formally, but I do that as well. Is something like standing out? Let's see here. And actually a lot lately, when I'm not working on this. My other project is in C++, actually. Yeah. Well, I do it here as well because if I were to do like this without them, then the names would conflict. Well, actually, it's still conflicting. Holy crap. Oh, wait, go, because it's not inside. What? Wait a sec. Oh, no, this is in the else statement. My bad. Oops. Yeah, if I were to do it without them, then that would not be allowed, and it would tell me I'm duplicating the variable or whatever. Yeah. Which is weird. I feel like cases should have their own scopes by default. That's just my personal opinion, I guess. So this is actually going to be weird. Instead of a target, I'm probably going to have to change this because of the jumps. Oh, okay, here, so position value plus equals y velocity times, and y velocity minus equals some amount, 2, sure, I don't know, 1, 2, 5, something like that, and then okay. It goes back to what it was, which I think was 2, something like that. We'll see what that looks like. And they should do little hops. I don't know how big of hops they are. Oh, whoa, oh shit. Whoops. Oh, yeah, not less than 0, sorry. Less than -2. Oops. And then I have to make sure his position doesn't go down too far either, because that will happen over time. Did I not press play? Come on, hop. Hop, damn it. There he goes. Those are gigantic hops. That's way too high. Also, he's stopping in midair, and that's not good. So I guess we're gonna have to go with hops instead of move targets. So that doesn't matter anymore. Although South Park hop style, yeah. And the hop is way too big, so I can just init y velocity, set that to 2. So I guess I'll go with int hops. It's 2. Init hops. Alright, all this move target stuff can go away. But I will need a direction, I guess. Which I can just multiply my move speed randomly by -1, I guess. We'll see if that works. And I don't need a distance to target nonsense. And this, yeah, so I'll just get rid of all this stuff. Move distance doesn't matter anymore. So then I could just say move speed or, oh, so maybe I did need some of that other stuff. Yeah, so let me just bring back one of those because I don't want to go in the right. Oh, something here. Okay, position, then definitely move speed is positive, and move speed is definitely negative. Don't need that, don't need that. And move speed, oops, that I do want. Move speed times equals 1. Just reverse it. Randomly. Again, don't need distance to target. This is just going to be if hops is greater than 2. So every time I go here, I land, so that's hops max minus. Greater than 2? Greater than 0. And then do this thing and reset the hops. Hops equals init hops. And this equals init y velocity. Init any y val, whatever. Negative init. Then don't care about the distance because my move speed is already reversed. Position.x plus equals max move. Position.y is that, doing that. I guess I want to know my initial y position. And then I can go ahead and fix this name here. There we go.
For today, I'm tired.
Oh. What were you? Oh, you were working on the drawing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How's it coming along? You can get a little sneak peek.
Just did the skyline. Oh, here, let me share.
Oh, I guess I can do
I was working on the skyline.
equals init one position every time the
I
hop
think
is
I'm sharing
complete.
it now.
Oh, nice, man. Oh, you cut out the logo. Nice.
Yeah, I put the logo from before. I kind of made like a colorful kind of skyline that I'll mess with later, but I just wanted a backdrop.
for anyone who's not watching Julio's stream, if you were streaming, I don't know. This is
I am streaming. I'm about to cut it off. But
cover art coolness going on here. Concept.
It's well underway
for the cover art we got going on. Oh wow, that's a Van Gogh sunset you got going on.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it'll fit in with all the craziness, explosions and stuff.
Pretty cool. I like all the buildings. Oh, did you cut out those buildings from like something? What'd you make?
No, I
those?
drew those just
Oh,
now.
cool.
Yeah.
Pretty damn cool, man.
Yeah, there's a bunch of effect work that's going to happen afterwards, but I'm treating it like a comic book. So I'm just drawing really solid outlines and then doing really solid coloring. I haven't done any shading at all. It's all just hard.
Yeah,
color.
I see that. Yeah.
So I'll judge it when it's all done, but odds are I'm going to add another effect layer that will probably do some form of shading.
Very cool.
Yeah, it'll look nice. Definitely it'll be done by the time you're done. We'll see about that other stuff though.
Yeah, I mean, each one of those things could be like a 10-hour,
I guess.
you know, or more.
Oh no, I would draw. I would define myself to a really small pixel size for the canvas.
And then stretch it out.
Brush. Just do 1 pixel brush. Yeah, exactly. I'll do it to 1, and you can size it however. I just need to know the proportions.
Ah, I see. And then it could even be like blurred out. Like it'll be sort of.
Well, it'll just be easier because I can allude to things more so than actually having to draw them out.
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
Especially if it's like a close-up scene, you know, like maybe it's just a scene of it's just like a half silhouette of the ship facing towards the city, you know, and like a little skyline, you know, something like that could be done simply.
Yeah. Okay.
All right,
we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it.
Yeah.
All right. Hops minus minus. Once hops is 0, we're gonna reset hops, set our Y position to our normal Y position, unset our state, and that should be it. So I think that works, but I think the Y velocity is a little bit much. So let's just run it again and see if he hops twice and stops. Unless he's gonna do a hop for 2, 1. At 0, it won't hop. 1, 2. Nice. One, 2. Sweet. All right. Now, let's just pull back that thing. It's a little extreme. But they're going to be shorter hops now. I guess that's fine. He's jumping really far. 1, 2. It's not bad. It was a little fast. The X speed is pretty up there. Alright, should pull it back now. Nice. It's pretty low though. Can't really see him behind those buildings. I guess that's okay. Let's see, max state time. Where's that move speed? Oh, it's 1, right? Okay. So set to 2 or something. No, wait. Smaller. Oh, yeah, and this one. Or instead of setting these hard-coded values, if move speed is less than 0. Move speed x equals -1. So this would be like, you could just do this one giant compound condition. This. What? Did I not copy you? And move speed is 0. Then, for sure, reverse it here. That, otherwise reverse it randomly. Okay. Should be smaller hops. Come on, smaller hops. What? Oh. There we go. Seems a bit fast. Guess I can turn down the gravity. So the hops will be twice as big. That's a little better. Yeah, I like that. It's alright. That's alright. Now for the laser. So, animator. Gotta make it. Sure. Background robot. Laser. Does animation already exists? Wait. Oh no, this is the animation controller. Jeez. So. There we go. So it's going to play that animation. I actually need a second animation. Damn it. Animation. Animation. Robot title. Oh, it doesn't have a keyframe yet. Okay. Property, sprite. Do nothing but set this to itself. Yeah, okay. And then the laser beam will look. Well, that just seems off. What happened there? Just missing a frame completely. What happened to laser 4? It's there. What? Sap. So it's gonna go one round shooting that way, and then it's gonna shoot back. Oops. Oops. Key. So annoying. Key, and this is gonna be 4. I should probably press record, huh? 4. 3. 2. 1. I'm not sure why frame 4 is invisible. Alright, and then add an event at the end. So let's make a function in here. Is the order rendering it behind the sky? Like randomly? Could be. I guess I can be more explicit and set the background, like you said, -1. I just hope that works. Okay, I can test it again. 1 second. Laser done does nothing. Not the sort order, the order and layer for the sprite. That's not the same thing? Oh, okay. State none. That's all I'm gonna do there. Oh, right. Random dot set bool, maybe. Laser false. And if it's laser, and let's set bool laser true. And that is that. Actually, I don't have to do anything. I can just do this once when the state loads. Laser. Right. Just do that. And then I'll just set that up really quick. So idle is default. So, oops. Idle, transition, bool, laser, laser is true. Laser is false. Probably didn't even have to do that, but oh well. Alright, well, let's double check that thing again. Animation. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yep. Alright, that did it. So randomly, that one just decided to render behind the background. Alright. So now we got a function, right? Laser done. Let's make it happen. Alright, it's doing it. It's only doing laser now. Doesn't want to move. There he goes. Now my biggest problem is that you can... It's really difficult to see him behind the building. That's still kind of cool though. Got the robot working. Let me share my screen with you, Julian. The background robot.
Oh, that background.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, no. I thought, for some reason, I thought you were talking about the helper one.
Oh, no, no.
That's cool, though. I like it.
Yeah.
That's the whole bouncing thing you were talking about.
Yeah. If he's ever gonna shoot his damn laser. Come on, shoot your laser. He's like faking people out in these buildings. He's like, I'm gonna kill you. No, I'm not.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it would be great if, like, every now and then, like, missiles shot at and he just, like, dodges them like that.
There we go.
Oh, there's the laser.
Yeah. It's super random.
It should happen more often, though.
I guess I could put preference to it. But whatever, it's random. It's not I'm not too worried about it. It's cool. I like it.
Yeah, I like it. I just wish I saw a laser.
Damn, dude.
What? Oh, there it is. No, I was just saying, like, I like that it's random. It just...
Yeah.
There
it did it 2 times in a row, man.
Back to back.
Yeah. It's like I really didn't like that spot.
Yeah.
The people that were living in those buildings.
I really like that ship. That ship's cool. Interesting design.
This game inspired me for that design. I remember it very clearly. Hold on. I wonder how, looking back on it, I wonder how much of it I actually copied.
Right.
Let's see.
You will see.
I'm gonna look.
The Rocketeer apparently was like...
Oh yeah, it was like 100%. It's gotta be that.
Yeah, 1-to-1.
Those colors, bro. It's gotta be.
Alright, okay. He's the Rocketeer, I get it.
Oh, not exactly. It was this.
Oh, I see. The shape. Yeah, I see the shape.
Yeah, with like the engine, or I guess the...
These are like flying mechs, right?
Yeah, that's what those are.
Yeah, it looks like those legs. It's like a Metal Gear kind of really fucking slow moving mech, but it like puts its feet together and points them back while it's flying.
Something like that.
Cool. That's what it looks like anyway. I really like the mech, all the decals they put on it. Like it's got like it's
oh yeah, this stuff,
it's
yeah.
got symbols. It's got like on top of the rivets and stuff.
That's a nice background too.
It is. It's a really nice.
It's got that got that flare. Oh, and when he went in front of the sun, the glare disappeared. That's really good stuff for like SNES, man. Watch.
Hell yeah. Oh, in Japanese games, fuck no, like they don't fuck around. Like if you play early Gundam games, Super Nintendo Gundam games, holy shit, man, the flair and the style and like it would just look so badass. And I actually think that's why I really love Journey to Jaburo. I don't know what studio made that, but that game was fun as fuck.
Is that a Gundam game?
It's like, yeah, the PS2 had just come out. Journey to Jaburo, you take control of a mech and you basically you're fighting other Gundams, but you can like destroy cities. It's like a freaking monster.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Like a monster destroyer kind of game, and it's so fun. There's so many Gundams to unlock, and each Gundam has its own kind of like story mode. So you unlock cutscenes, you unlock like new pilots, and it goes back in time. So it starts with Gundam Wing. And it actually goes all the way back like to the earliest Gundams. You can unlock it eventually and have that backstory of like the 80s and stuff. Really, really fun game. A lot of really cool animations. I remember the CGI trailer specifically, where it's like it's a head-to-head, like they both turn to each other in the city that's like half destroyed, and they're like shooting missiles, and it looked so epic, and I was like, oh, it's a cutscene. But the battles are actually like that.
Yeah, this is it.
Do you see the one that's on the next row?
This one? Space?
On the top,
or
no,
over
the top. No, up. Yeah, up and to the right. When you get to a close battle fight, like that one, yeah. And then that's one of the older. Actually, no, that's the Wing Gundam, I believe. No,
I don't know.
he's not Wing yet, but that's one of. Actually, that might be one of the earlier ones. I
It says
can't
Mobile
remember.
Suit. I mean, the game is, yeah, Mobile Suit Gundam, which is the original show, right?
Oh yeah, the game is called Mobile Suit, but I'm saying which Gundam that particularly is. I
Oh,
think
I
it's
don't
one of
know.
the earlier ones, the ones with the red shield with the
This is a
cross
pretty
on
cool shot.
it. Yeah, it was just a really fun game. The cutscenes were really dope.
Alright, I'm done dev-wise.
Cool. Well, I'm taking a break from doing anything right now. I was working on
See
chat,
here.
setting up chat in the game.
Where is my scripts? Let's go back to player script. Background robot. Done. Running out of to-do items. Except for, you know, the bugs that I keep finding. Cybernator on SNES? I did. That also was, yeah, I actually, when I was making this game originally, like 10 years ago, and the whole thing was like, oh, you can exit the ship and run around and stuff like that. So I was like, have there been any other games like in the past like that are like 16-bit or 8-bit style where you could do that? And then I found this game called Metal Warriors on the SNES. And you could do that, right? So you could like get out of your mech and like walk around. But you were in like a flying mech suit, not like a shoot 'em up game. And then this game led me to find Cybernator and Front Mission Gun Hazard. And like I got like into this whole like mech zone, all these mech games on the SNES, and they were all great.
I eventually told Justin he should check out Titanfall 2. But,
You told me?
yeah, I'm trying to find like a cool shot so you could see like the fun.
Oh, so there's a conversation in your stream too?
Is there?
I don't
My
know.
stream?
Who are
I
you
ended my
talking to?
stream. You just now. Oh, I was. No. I was just adding to whatever you were saying. I don't know who you were talking
Oh, I see. Got it. Got
I was
it.
just
You were
adding to
talking
that.
to the
Okay.
stream, not to me.
Yeah, about what you were saying.
Yeah, Titanfall ended up doing it, but I was like, whatever, man. It didn't do it in 16-bit style.
Well, it did it much later too. But I was just saying, like, you should check out the gameplay because expanding this kind of thing, especially with the whole mech thing, turning those mechs into ships and having like a whole interactive city.
Yeah, I wanted to do that at one point too, just like have the ship transform into a mech and then you can do like ground stuff.
That would be cool too. I mean, that's totally
Yeah.
like up like a well done Gundam. But the gameplay itself, it was just really nice because it's really reminiscent of like the Call of Duty days when we played in terms of like recoil, movement. You know what I mean? Like just
Mm-hmm.
overall feel. And then you get like
Robo
grappling
tech.
hooks. You can do so much crazy stuff. You can throw a grappling hook at a person and pull them to you, and like punch them while they're getting dragged to you, or shoot them. You can use grappling hooks wherever and whenever to like Spider-Man all over the damn place.
That's pretty cool. Must get crazy.
Uh,
Like, how do you ever
oh,
like
it's insane.
lock on to somebody? Man,
So here,
I think I watched you play it once or twice long, like when I went to
I
visit
mean, I
you
wasn't
years ago.
I wasn't as awesome, but like if you check it out, this video I just sent you the link to. I think around like a minute and a, let's say like a minute. Start watching at a minute. And you can kind of see, like, you get this mobility, too. This kind of mobility that Assassin's Creed wish it has.
Just
So we
jumped
should
into the
add-
mech. Oh, yeah. I mean, well, yeah, Assassin's Creed, you're not really jumping like a million feet in the air.
You lose momentum, everything you do. You accidentally go to the right a little bit, you jump off the damn building. but then he calls down his mech, and then he jumps in the mech, and then you can see
Yeah.
there'll be a scene where like one of the cooler things is that if someone else is in a mech and you're just this little pilot, you can grapple to their mech, get on their back, pull out their battery, and then they like have to get out. You basically set their mech to self destruct. You can
Nice.
also like if you're low on health, you can steal another person's mech battery and put it back into your mech. It just was so fun.
I wonder how if it would still be fun if they slowed the gameplay down to where it's not like a giant death match with like a
Yeah, I see
million
what you mean.
players.
Oh, if it was a million players, it would have to be a death match.
No, no,
There's
no. Well,
no way
I
around it.
was adding to the death match with a million players. You know, so it's like
Oh hell
not
yeah!
a death match with a million players. Um,
So more of like an MMO where you're just there.
maybe just less chaotic, I guess.
Yeah, but I think that's this is actually what helped it. Like the stuff that's going on is so crazy. Like it has to be this fast paced. You know what I mean? Like if melee was any slower, nobody would have liked it. That's what brawl was. Nobody liked it.
Blaster Master. Don't forget Blaster Master. Blaster Master. I didn't
Blaster,
play Blaster Master. I did not play. Oh, I've seen this. I didn't play it
Come
though.
on, we've all played Blaster Master.
You're in this little tank. Yeah, I've seen it. I have never played it. Cool. All right, folks. This was fun. Metroidvania. Get out the vehicle, do some up and down. Yeah, that sounds cool. Alrighty, guys. Enjoy your weekend if you have it, and be back to this on Monday, I guess.